Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 97, NASDAQ off 2, S&P's down 5, gold contract trading down 12.30 at 1326.30, silver down 21 cents, $16.95 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 23 cents, trading $63.75 a barrel. Notes and bonds lower. 10-year note down 7 ticks, 122.13. 30-year bond off a full point, 149.10. King dollar just can't do it. King dollar up 12 ticks, 90.325. King dollar was up a couple hundred ticks earlier. Folks couldn't handle price once again. You get a very large confirmed ABC structure on the way down. The euro is trading at 122 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111 to the U.S. dollar. Let's go over and take a look at some of the numbers coming out, because they're going to be coming out fast and furious today. American Express closed at $99.86. That is trading $97.95 right now. Numbers go like this. The estimate for American Express earnings per share was $1.54. They made $1.58. Bottom line, that was in the fourth quarter, but what you have inside there's some type of adjustment, and it's not the same number. That's what it really comes down to. They see fiscal 18. Now they're seeing, let's see, 690 to 730. If we go over to Big Blue, we take a look at Big Blue. Big Blue coming out with its numbers also. Big Blue closed at 169. That's trading down $3 right now. That's trading at 166. Let's see what they have to say. Big Blue, the estimate was $5.17. They came out with $5.18. The IBM revenue, this is interesting. So this was the first, well, I don't know if I got to look at that revenue number first. Let's see. CNBC is saying it's the first revenue rise in 23 quarters. I just want to see it from the company, actually. Let's see. IBM refers fourth quarter full year results. Gross margin, 49.5%. Okay, so here's the revenue. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did rise. Okay, here we go. The estimate was $22.06 billion, $22.5 billion. So bottom line is that they did get that up, and that would be the first time in a huge amount of time. Pretty wild. We're going to be having a lot more numbers coming out for you as we go through this hour, folks, because we get a lot of numbers coming out. We go take a look at the silver contract. What we had out here with silver needs a bid, folks. Bottom line, we're coming into Friday. So Friday, inside the metals market, always highly volatile. I expect it to be even more volatile tomorrow, because what we have is that you have the Republicans and Democrats playing chicken out here, basically with either shutting the government down or not shutting the government down, partial shutdown. But bottom line, it does affect quite a few, folks, period, that, they're not going to get paid. So silver's down 211 ticks. You're at 88,000 contracts. Not a bad pullback. Bottom line, silver's having a tough time getting over $17.49. Now, if we go over to the gold market, we take a look at the gold market. We did pull back. The gold market looks to me that you're building cars, though, because what we did out here today is this. You got down to 1324. You closed out at 1327. You've done 303,000 contracts. You're going into 392,000 contracts, as well as 365,000. So you can see you're pulling back to right where the gold market broke topside. It has volume behind the break, wide price spread behind the break. So what that does set up, that sets up a run up into this 1365 area. And if we go over and we take a look at, well, actually, let's look at the note and bond market first. We go to the 10-year note, down 7 ticks. We have 1.8 million contracts. That's big contract volume. What you don't have here is the wide price spread when you broke down. You know, we broke down on January 9th. That's when we got under the consolidation that had been placed for, about 3 years. We went from 123.16 to 122.31. Yesterday, you had some good price spread. Today, guess what? This is not how you normally break down. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. If we do look at the 30-year, the 30-year is not even close to breaking down. The 30-year would need to go down 2 more points, which it could, and went down a full point today. 2.5 points, actually. We're at 149.10. If we go take a look at that 30-year, what I do expect is that tomorrow morning, the 30-year is going to get some pressure coming into its swing low because it's right next to it right now. We're at 149.10, and what you do have here is that 149.03, which we hit today, is the swing point. Now, that's not the major swing point. What that is, that's just a swing point where we've been trading. The major swing point inside the 30-year is at 147. If we bring this back, so you can take a look at this, the 147 level, we haven't broken a major swing since 2001, which is pretty amazing. The major swing that we're talking about got established in March of last year. That's when we, basically we came down hard, came down off the highs, 177. It turned around at 147.07. So that would be a major swing. You can see, if you go all the way back to 2000, we never broke a major swing, which is just pretty amazing. But bottom line, that's how it shook out. And good old King Dollar, folks, is saying that, guess what? Commodities are going to be going higher. Right now, King Dollar is at 90.310. You take a look at it. It was a major breakdown. It broke with volume. You take a look at this on a longer-term basis, and what it looks like is that we have this 82 coming up on us. So, good old King Dollar, bottom line, fails to catch a bid once again. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with more numbers for you after the close. And, of course, IBM, that closed at 169. That's trading 165. American Express, that closed at 99.86. That's trading 97.86. We're coming right back, folks.